Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all having a pleasant day. And welcome to another travel vlog. And you join me in my neck of the woods. Now we'll cross it. Should have done that, but we did. Today, we're on episode 101. Hard to believe yesterday's airport job was episode 100. But we are going to Lichfield, the cathedral city of Lichfield, I should say. Because we've got some rail replacements going. I am feeling it in my legs as well after yesterday. I think it was all that stepping up and stepping down I was doing on on a bench to get some of the shots over the fence. But yeah, we got rail reps at Lichfield today. The Cross City North is shut between Trent Valley and Birmingham New Street. I don't know who's going to be on it. I'm worried it might be coaches, but it could end up being green bus. I do hope so. Anyway, we're waiting for the I think it's 25 past 9, 828 to take us over to Lichfield. That's right, I'm on a bus. Unlucky for me. Let's just hope it's nothing bad. Please don't be anything bad. Don't be an urban this early in the morning. Please. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. 69. Nice. Alright, now third time lucky. Now we definitely saw it. There it is. It's a VDL SB180 MCV Evolution. Recently painted up in Chase Rider colours as well. In number 669. Used to be ex-Centrebus. This should be a fantastic ride, I do believe. Oh, what do we got down here? Hello. Well, there's a good start, isn't it, folks? Alright, let's jump off, shall we? Oh. I haven't left anything behind, have I? No. Okie dokie. Cheers. Oh, there we go.
Nowadays, but there's stores in every street.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Alright, I'm no fucking brain surgeon, but would somebody want to explain to me what the fuck that is? What the fuck is that? And more to the point, who is that? What is that? I'll take it. There's an ex-London Enviro there. That's Go Ahead. I can just see the Go Ahead decal been ripped off. .359 batch. Really? That's quite interesting. There's another Enviro, pure whiter. What is it with people? What is it with these Enviros today? Let's do some notables over here at the bus station. VDL SB200 right pulsar 2, 3760, formerly of Cannock, and that's on the 765 over to Tamworth. Who are you, Ryan? If you're Ryan, someone, I should go mind that. Next up for D&G Chase Rider, Alexander Des Enviro 200, standard specification, ex-London as well. Number 52, and that's on the 60 to Cannock. Good old Cannock. Next up for National Express West Midlands, a Mark II Right Eclipse Urban. That is number 2142 on the 8 over to Walsall. Good old Walsall. I need to go there. I haven't been there for a while. Wait till the hydro deck's coming to service. Next, not quite next up, but it will be in a second. 14 plate Alexander Des Enviro 200 for Midland Classic on the X12 over to Burton-on-Trent, and to steal someone's line from his Tico event. Oh god, everyone. Next up for Midland Classic on the X12 over to Burton-on-Trent, standard Enviro 200, and to steal a line off our good friend Tico. He won't be watching this, so you don't need to tell him. Beloved! He's beloved! It's number 1, beloved! He's beloved! It's beloved! Next out, Mark 1 Solar on the 826 over to Stafford. Scania L94 chassis, and that is 199. Nice. Ooh, who we got coming here? Who have we got coming here? Who is that? I forgot to take his number 2. Every single time, wherever it's Burton or bloody Litchfield, it's always number. Stalk me much? And right behind it, another ex-London Enviro on the 60 to Cannock. And this is number 40 for D&G Chase Rider. I think this one's going. Certainly is, on your regular 12 over to Burton. Now this between the 12 and the X12, well, it is obvious. The X12 goes all the way along the A38, whereas the 12 goes into the villages. And that's number 39, Enviro 200. Oh look, it's the Merc Evolution. Mercolution? It's a mixture of buses and coaches on rail reps. But there's one bus that I really, really wanted, and it's not here. Next up for Arriva Midlands, Scania K230UB Omnilinks, and that's 3502, sounding not particularly healthy. Let's be brutally honest, it sounds absolutely painful. And right behind him for National Express is another Omnilinks. Number 1897, and that's on the 8 over to Walsall. That reminds me, I still need to do a trip to Walsall. Wait for the hydro decks, Ian. Next up for Diamond, Diddle-dee-dums. Enviro 200, 21 106, and that'll be doing the 20 height to Warsaw. Can you say 20 height to Warsaw? Oh look, Sutton Coldfield. Sutton Coldfield? MMC, is that doing part route only to Sutton Coldfield? Anyway, say it with me everyone, MMC! Excuse you there sir, I think you're lost. Just a little bit lost I think, don't you sir? You've come to Lichfield. Derby is the complete of a turning at Burton. I think that goes down under oops. Ah, dear me. Right, we're done. Rail reps didn't take all that long, it was just waiting for whatever needed to be waited. Which isn't too bad, really. Managed to grab everything as well. Some rare as fuck shit on the rail reps as well. The only bad thing is I didn't get that Diamond Jubilee livery on the rail reps, which I'm a little miffed about. Apparently there was more rail reps at Four Oaks. Anyone think you should have got the Four Oaks today? Or Sutton Coldfield even? Oh well. Tis what it is. We just got one more bus to photo, and ironically it's the bus we're going back on, so yeah. We'll wait for it to come in. And there it is, my bus back. Unfortunately, not number one. Not number one, unfortunately. It's behind it. It's this Octar Solo, folks. Number 106.
Yeah, but it seems more or less clear, don't it? Yeah.
Let's see what this is actually like. Are you a Cummins Solo or a Merc Solo? You got an armrest on you, so you're definitely comfortable. What are you doing, yeah? What are you shaking? What are you shaking your fucking head for? What was he shaking his head for? Oh, it's a Merc Solo. Yeah. Cheers. Ugh. I don't know. Doesn't sound like a Merc Solo to me. Time to go. Ah, dear me. Well, I don't know about you. That weren't too bad. I do wish I'd gone to Sutton Coldfield or Four Oaks, somewhere like that. Got even more rail reps. But that's the way the cookie crumbles, isn't it? Some of the time it crumbles like that, but other times you absolutely get it right. Anyway, that's enough from me, guys. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you know, helps out along the way. Now, I was going to go to London next Saturday, but then I remembered it's the Platinum Jubilee, and maybe I don't want to go to London. But I will do something platinum related. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and we'll see wherever it is we're going next time. We're going somewhere, but I'm not saying where. It will be platinum related though. See you all then, folks. My thighs are killing me.